back to my channel, or hello if you are new here. Today we're going to be looking at the new Feeling Unique beauty kit. From what I've saw from other YouTubers that I've kind of done little hauls of this used to be a thing and then it stopped and now it's back a thing again, so I'm just happy to be involved. You get 5 products for £12 and you also get a free little beauty pouch as well. So in this one, for instance, I've got Guerlain, I've got Clarins, I've got Lancome, I've got Tilbury, and I've got Emma Hardie. This is a really good one. £12 and then you pay £3.95 for postage, but once again you get that back in a gift voucher, so it's not one to be missed. So this is the little pouch that it came in for January, and I shall show you what I've picked out. So obviously you get to pick out of a big bunch of samples, and I think it's kind of the case when it's gone, if that makes sense. So I'm going to show you what I picked up. The first thing that I was like, oh my god, I desperately need to get this is this Guerlain one. This is their Meteoroids base. This is their Perfecting Pearl Primer for anti-dullness. Oh my god. Oops, sorry. I'm saying sorry, I've just knocked something over. Anyways, and this is just what it looks like, and this smells like their Insolence perfume, and I used to absolutely love the look of it on counter. It just looks amazing, and I just thought to try it out for £12 in this little set, yes please. If I like it, I can pay for the full size one. If not, then I haven't wasted too many pennies. Okay. The next one, which I thought was unreal, this is the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear. I got this in the shade 03 Beige, Dye Fin or something like that. And this has SPF 15 in it. It's a 5ml sample, and it just looks like this. And I just thought this would just be a really nice way of trying out their foundation without, once again, spending loads of moolah. And I don't think I've ever tried a Lancome foundation, not since I was in uni, so a very long time ago. I am back now in uni, but my undergrad uni. Something that I also picked up is the Clarins the Clarins Water Comfort 1-Step Cleanser. Sorry, I've been at work all day and I'm literally filming this at 9 o'clock at night, which I know isn't late because I'm a night person, but my mouth just can't get my words out. This is a 50ml bottle. I thought this is crazy. I'm excited to see what it's like. Excited to see what a water cleanser is like. So yeah, 50ml, can't go wrong. The next one, oh, I'm so happy. This is probably the thing that made me think, yeah, I need to buy this. This is the Emma Hardie Moringa Cleansing Balm. I absolutely love this. If you watch way back when I did the deluxe skincare subscription box review, I'll leave it linked down below if you do want to check it out. I got a full size version of this and it was amazing. I've just finished an Avon one and it just does not compare at all to Emma Hardie, but they're just so pricey. So I just thought I can try it again and it's not going to really dent my bank account. If you've watched my 2020 goals video, I'll leave it linked down below in case you do want to watch it. You'll know I'm trying to save for a house. So yeah, I need to kind of save some moolah. So yeah. And then last but not least, which I haven't actually opened this yet. Oh, it's going to be so cute. This is the Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder sample. It just looks, I don't know if it's going to focus, if it just looks like this. And I was thinking how they're going to do, oh my god, it's so cute. I was thinking how they're going to do a little powder sample, but look at it. So I've heard so many people talk about this, and I actually had it in the shade Fair, in the shade 1. So I thought I have to, oh my god, I thought I have to pick this up, just to try it. How stinking cute. I don't know why I'm smelling it, but oh my god, that is adorable. And I've never even seen anything like that, so I don't even think you can actually buy that anywhere as far as I'm aware. It's got 0.8 grams of powder in it. Oh, it's so cute. So every single month, if you wanted to get it monthly, obviously it's £12 for 5 products that you get to pick, but you also get the free pouch. You just pay for £3.95 for postage, but you do get that gift back to you. So yeah, I've got the pick and mix sample one, and I've also got this one, and I've been given back both the money for the postage, like £3.95 each. So yeah, I'm excited to see what it's going to be in next month. Give this video a thumbs up if you want it to be like a monthly thing, because I don't mind that at all. I love you so much. I upload on Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays, just in case you are new here. Enter my 8,000 subscriber giveaway, and let's just live our lives, and I shall see you in a new video. Bye guys.